Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're just going to be creating a very simple Java application and test our newly installed JDK. So to do this, we're just going to right click on our desktop, bring up this little panel, and we'll go to create a text document. Now we'll just rename the text document something easy like Java. We'll just go something simple like simple_Java. It's always good to not leave any spaces in your naming conventions. It's just easier with the command line. So we'll just double click to open the file and we'll get editing our file here. So every Java program starts off by declaring a Java class, and that's just by going public class, and we'll name the class the same as our file, which is simple_Java. And be sure to use uppercase letters when declaring a name for your class. We'll put opening and closing curly brackets. I'll just put these down on the next line here. So this is now a Java class block. Everything inside these curly brackets is where our program is going to live. Now every single program in Java needs an entry point. We'll just put a couple spaces here, and that's a main method. And to do this, we started off by public static void main, and we'll put regular brackets and curly brackets, and we always finish these off so we don't forget them. Now we'll go inside here and we'll type string with a capital, and we'll put some brackets, square brackets, and we'll type space arguments, ARGS. And we'll open this up. So now we have a method block and a class block. So everything up here in the class block is our program, and everything inside our main method now is going to be the starting point or our program that's going to run at the beginning. So here we'll just do something simple like a print to the console, and that is system with a capital .out.println opening and closing normal brackets, and a semicolon will always end a Java statement. We'll go inside of our brackets here, and we'll put quotes, double quotes. We'll write both of them, and inside the quotes we'll just write your Java is working just fine. This is going to be our way of just knowing that our program was compiled properly and ran properly and everything's set up and working the way we had expected it to. So our program is done. We'll just go over to the file and we'll save this, and we'll type save as, or we'll hit save as, sorry, and save our program. We'll go down to all files, and we'll just put .java at the end of our simple_Java file name. That'll make it a Java file. So we'll save this now, and now we have our simple Java file all created and ready to go. We can simply close this window down. Don't need it anymore. We'll run the file, close it, and we can get rid of this text document because we have a Java class file that we created, so the text document isn't really needed anymore. So we'll just hold Control and push R, and we'll open the run. We'll type CMD and hit enter. Once you have the command line open, we can type dir to check the directory that we're currently in. Hit enter, and here we go. We have a list of all the files in the directory we're currently in. If you see, the desktop's right here. And we're going to have to change into that, and we'll type CD. We'll type desktop with a capital. And now we're into the desktop, and we'll type CLS to clear the screen. Give us some more space. We'll type dir one more time, and that'll show us everything that's inside of the desktop or on the desktop. You can see here we have the simple.java. In order to compile this, we'll just type java c space simple_Java, make sure it has the capitals and spelled properly, .java, and we'll hit enter. And it may not look like anything's going on, but it is compiling the file. If there was any problems, it would give you errors, and we see the file was created up top here. And that's now our new compiled application, or our Java class file. And if we come down into our command line again, we can type dir again, and that's going to show us that we did in fact, create that new simple java.class. Now, in order to run that, we just type java, JAVA, space, simple underscore java, and we don't have to actually type .class in there at all. We just hit enter, and that should run our program. And as you can see, it says your Java is working just fine. And that's it. That's everything, and our program's running, our JDK is installed properly, and everything's working as we had expected it to. So I'd like to thank you for watching the video. If you liked what you've seen in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then feel free to subscribe and check out our channel. If you have any questions or comments about this video, or ideas for future videos, please post it in the comment section below. We'll catch you in the next video.